Basically, the idea behind this project is that to reduce wire coming from the wave board, which will directly connect it to the Arduino Uno or Arduino Nano board. Basically, the thing is that if you want to connect this servo motor to the Arduino Nano or Uno board, you will have to get three wires of positive, negative, and signal wires, and you have to mount it on the board or Arduino Uno itself. So reduce that particular thing, that particular part. I have built this Arduino extension board which comes with three columns, which is of negative, positive 5 volts, and the third column is connected with the Arduino board pins itself, so it makes convenience to you to connect directly to the board whichever pin you need to, and you don't have to worry about the power wires that you are which are less for you. So every pin has positive and negative power itself, so coming from the board, and you can directly connect it to this board. And now in market every sensors and motors comes with 3 wires or 4 wires, that makes convenient for you to mount on this board. And if you have male wires in that, you can connect this board on this Arduino extension and you can directly use it as your project. And this is the main idea behind this project. So yes, so I highly recommend you all to make this project and make your prototyping board much more better. And that's it for this video.